can see, see cracking here, even the ignition coils. But I would say 80–90% of the electrical connectors that I touched, they're broken, so basically all of them will need to be replaced. So the interior is quite simple but stylish. So these are quite unique seats specifically for the TRD, and you'll see the TRD signage everywhere. TRD here, TRD here, TRD here, TRD on the steering wheel. TRD here. So they use the red leather